Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face Unlock is not working after update in Samsung Galaxy A06. If you're using Galaxy A06 and you're facing the issue that once you updated your phone, your face lock or face unlock isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you to make sure that your front camera or your this basic camera or rear camera is completely clean. There is no any dirt and dust on it. If you might get that, you can clean this with clear clean cloth. And once you have cleaned this, you just have to go to settings here, just scroll down, go to software update, make sure that your software is up to date, because sometimes it might be that your software update isn't complete. So you have to recheck for software update. If you're still facing the same issue after updating your software, you can go to security and privacy here, go to lock screen, and just select freeze from here. You have to remove your previous face setup. If you have set it up your face lock, you have to remove your previous face setup and you have to add a new one. But before you try that, I recommend you have to make a restart with your phone, because sometimes it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by restarting your phone. Just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and now click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once you have restarted your phone, your issue will be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, you should just go to your settings app here, go to privacy and security, or security and privacy, go to lock screen, click on face recognition and set up new face here. Once you have set it up your new face, or you have to set up your new face, so your issue will be fixed and you might not get the issue again, because sometimes it happens that once your phone has been updated, your face data has been chunked or there is any error with your face data. So you have to delete your previous face setup and now re-add your face to your phone. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.